Why does everyone seem to gravitate people towards them? Wanting to be in their presence, hanging on to their every word. It's not just about looks or money. It's about something deeper. Something embedded in the very fabric of their being. We're exploring deep into male psychology, unraveling the secrets that make specific individuals irresistible. If you've ever wanted to be that person who lights up the room, the one everyone wants to be around, then you're in the right place. Stick around, because we are about to reveal the 6 secrets that will make people crave being around you. The first secret, and perhaps the most important, number 1, authenticity, the power of being real. Authenticity is shedding that weight and letting your true self breathe. In a world obsessed with perfection, where everyone's life seems picture perfect on social media, authenticity is like a gust of fresh wind. It's daring to say, "This is me, with all my imperfections, with all my quirks, and I'm proud of it." Authenticity isn't about bearing all your secrets, but not pretending. It's the courage to voice your genuine opinions, even if they go against the grain. It's about being consistent in your words and actions, not swaying like a leaf in the wind, based on what's popular. And believe me, originality is rare and magnetic in a world of replicas. In a world full of facades and masks, being genuine stands out. People are naturally drawn to genuine people who aren't afraid to show their true selves, flaws, and all. Think about it. Would you rather spend time with someone who's always pretending, or someone who's confidently genuine? Authenticity builds trust. When you're honest, people feel they can be real around you too. They let their guard down. They open up. And that's when authentic connections are formed. So, ditch the act. Embrace who you are, warts and all. Because in the end, it's the real you that people will love and crave to be around. Moving forward, let's explore the next secret that's equally compelling. Number 2, active listening, making others feel valued. Have you ever spoken to someone and felt honestly heard? That's the magic of active listening. In an age where everyone's rushing, where conversations are often just exchanges of monologues, active listening is a treasure. It's not just about letting someone's words wash over you. It's about diving deep into the ocean of their thoughts, catching the unsaid emotions, and reflecting on them. It's the nod, the empathetic sigh, the touch that says, "We are here with you at this moment." When you master the art of active listening, you're not just hearing, you're resonating. And that's a bond few can resist. It's not just about hearing words. It's about truly understanding and valuing what someone is saying. In today's fast-paced world, genuine listeners are rare. Most people are just waiting for their turn to speak. But when you actively listen, you make the other person feel seen, heard, and, most importantly, valued. It's a simple act, but its impact is profound. By giving someone your undivided attention, you're telling them they matter. And who wouldn't want to be around someone who makes them feel that way? Another one that's closely related to this is our third secret. Number 3, empathy, the bridge to deeper connections. Empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of another, is a powerful tool in building connections. It's not just about sympathizing. It's about putting yourself in their shoes and feeling what they feel. When you show empathy, you tell the other person, I get you. I'm here for you. It creates a bond that's hard to break. People are naturally drawn to those who understand them and can relate to their joys and sorrows. So, the next time someone shares something with you, wait to hear them out. Feel with them. It'll make all the difference. The next one is, without a doubt, a game changer. Number 4, positivity, the beacon of hope. Have you ever noticed how you feel lighter, happier, and more energized around positive people? That's because positivity is contagious. A positive outlook is like a beacon of hope. In a world filled with negativity, it's refreshing. It uplifts those around you. Have you ever met someone whose spirit is so infectious that it lifts your mood instantly? That's the power of positivity. It's not about ignoring life's challenges or wearing rose-tinted glasses. It's about focusing on the silver lining, even when clouds loom large. Positivity is the resilience to bounce back, the hope that lights up the darkest nights, and the energy that says, no matter how tough things get, we'll get through this. In a world that's often cynical, a dose of positivity is the elixir everyone craves. Maintaining a positive attitude, even in challenging situations, makes you someone people want to be around. They'll seek your company, hoping to catch a bit of that infectious optimism. Remember, it's not about always being unrealistically cheerful, but about finding the silver lining and focusing on solutions rather than problems. Moving forward, let's explore a secret that's often overlooked. Number 5, passion, the flame that ignites interest. People are drawn to passion like moths to a flame. That enthusiasm is palpable when you're passionate about something, be it a hobby, a project, or a dream. It's exciting. It's inspiring. Your eyes light up, energy levels soar, and that zest for life becomes infectious. Sharing your passions, discussing them, and involving others creates a bond. It shows people a side of you that's alive, driven, and full of purpose. So, don't hide your passions. Flaunt them. Let them be the flame that draws people to you. And lastly, we have a secret that ties everything together. Number 6, consistency, the foundation of trust. Have you ever relied on someone who's always there, come rain or shine? That's the beauty of consistency. It's not about being rigid or inflexible. It's about being dependable. The promise says, you can count on me. In a world of uncertainties, where change is the only constant, consistency is the rock people cling to. It's the trust that builds over time, the assurance that you're the same person today as you were yesterday and will be tomorrow. Trust is the bedrock of any relationship, and consistency is the key to building that trust. When you're consistent in your actions, your words, and your values, people know what to expect from you. They know they can rely on you. It's comforting. It's reassuring. Being consistent means something other than being predictable or boring. It means being steady, reliable, and trustworthy. It means showing up, being present, and staying true to your word. When people know they can count on you, they'll naturally want to be around you. So there you have it. The 6 secrets that make people crave being around you. From being genuine and authentic to being a beacon of positivity and passion, these traits make someone genuinely magnetic. But remember, it's not about changing who you are, but enhancing and embracing the best parts of yourself. Start today. Implement these secrets one by one, and watch as the world gravitates towards you. Because in the end, everyone wants to be around someone who makes them feel valued, understood, and inspired. Be that person. Light up the room and let the world crave your presence.